Welcome to BBQ Today we're doing some apple pie wings at the pit, and it's real easy to do. All right. Moose here has marinated about 25 chicken wings overnight, and his basis for the marinade is a can of apple pie filling, right? You're familiar with this. You can get it anywhere. Now, Moose layered everything in a typical baking pan, right? And he's adding some of our Big Texan rub. Now, use your favorite rub, but we're adding some of our Big Texan to this. It absolutely is a great compliment to the very sweet marinade that's been going on, and it is sweet, plenty of sugar, but that's what we're here for. All right, now we're gonna place them on a campfire here, or call it what you want, right? And we're just going to layer them out in this cookie sheet or baking pan, right? Now we're using this because we want to control the heat, right? If we just placed each wing right over the grate with the fire underneath, you'd be working really hard at this to try to keep some from burning or being undercooked. You know what I'm saying, right? I see the birds are real happy here. All right, simple enough. Apparently, a truck driver's decided to stop for some lunch. All right. Now, I'm going to add a little bit more rub, right? Why not? Shoo, man, this is going to be good. Now, we've got an aluminum pan to put on top. This will keep some of the smoke and flavor in this cook. All right, thumbs up. All right, let's check on this. It's kind of simple to do. Got some slivers of fresh garlic. Why not? Again, it complements that real sweet, right? Nothing like a little bit of garlic on there.
Perfect.
All right, you do what you want. All right. Now let's keep checking on this. Ooh, it's coming right along. This won't take more than 35, 40 minutes, right? And it looks good. Look at that. Oh man. You're going to be eating good tonight, Martha? Actually, I don't think Martha will be here, right? All right. Man. Now, just move that pan around a little bit. It'll get some even cooking going on. You know what I'm saying? All right. Simple enough.
Good.
All right. All right, let's keep checking on it. That's what we're here for. Told you it's going to be easy to do. And take a look at that. Oh, man. Now we'll flip them, right? To brown them up on the other side. You know all about this. Oh, man. They look good enough to eat already. Why don't we just fast forward this? Nah. We kind of like doing this, and Moose is real good at it. We miss you, Moose. I love you, man. All right. Now, try to get these wings at your local wing stop or wing city or wing. I don't know. They're all over the place. Do them yourself, save a lot of money, and you get to make it the way you like it. All right, sprinkle a little bit more of our Big Texan on there. Put the cover right back on. All right, good enough. All right, we're still here. Hopefully you are. Again, we'll move the pan around a little bit. Oh, sounds like they're frying. Well, they pretty much are, right? This will give them a great crisp. Uh-oh. Martha's calling. Mute it. Just when things are going right, Martha shows up. What the heck? All right. Perfect. And in the miracle of time, these apple pie chicken wings are done. Oh, man. Let's say it's time to eat. Ouch. Well, you can always tell a pit master, right? Just like a tradesman by the calluses on their fingers. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, right? All right, so this is the part where the pit masters are eating in front of you. We just grab some dip, grab a favorite dip, whatever. And, oh man, are you kidding me? Whew. Now, you can find the ingredients to this down in the description area, all right? And
awesome.
give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to us. We really appreciate your support. Oh, Lord have
No better
mercy.
way to cook them.
So remember this. The next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out BBQPitBoys.com.
They got a nice zip.
Yeah. Oh, baby.
Yeah.